Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Fiat 500 boot. First, locate the boot release button, typically found on the dashboard or near the driver's seat. Press this button firmly to unlatch the boot. You'll hear a click, indicating it's unlocked. Then, simply walk to the rear of your car and lift the boot lid manually. It's a straightforward process designed for quick and easy access to your storage space. Another convenient way to open your Fiat 500 boot is by using your key fob. Look for the button with a boot icon, usually located among the other lock and unlock buttons. Press and hold this button for about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll hear the boot unlatch, and then you can simply lift it open. This method is especially handy when approaching your car with your hands full. Should the electronic release methods not work, your Fiat 500 has a manual boot release. You'll need to access the boot from inside the car, often by folding down the rear seats. Once inside, locate the small emergency release lever, usually near the latch mechanism. Pull this lever firmly to manually unlatch the boot. This is a great backup option if you encounter any electrical issues. Here are a few tips for smooth boot access. Always ensure your car is unlocked before trying to open the boot, as it won't release otherwise. Also, check for any items that might be obstructing the latch or the boot's movement. If you're still having trouble, a quick look at your Fiat 500 owner's manual can provide specific troubleshooting steps. Happy motoring!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.